Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you, how to go live on Coverstar. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you want to go live here on Coverstar, well, there are a few things that you may want to do. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that the app is fully updated. So, go ahead and open up Google Play Store here, look for Coverstar, and if you do see any update button, go ahead and update that. But once you have this updated, you can go ahead and click on Open, and you should be inside the app. Now, before you actually start wondering how do you exactly go live here, there are a few things that Coverstar here actually prioritize. So Coverstar here works similarly to TikTok. So meaning they really focus on authentic content. So in this case, with that said, in order for you to go live inside the platform, you need to be a verified content creator. So in this case, what you need to do is you want to make sure that you are consistently posting authentic content. So meaning you may want to post like videos or content, or in this case, entertaining content here that shows your face or you doing something that people really appreciate. So go ahead and start posting something by clicking on the plus button at the bottom section of your screen. Now also you may want to make sure that you have enough followings or fans or enough star power here. So in this case, you may want to build your profile here and just make sure that you share content that people really like. Now, once you do get some traction inside your account or people start noticing you, if you click on the plus button inside the post or section here, let's go and click on OK. And click on while using the app here. Just make sure to provide the necessary information here. Let's go and click on plus. And this will redirect you to this section here. Now from here, you should be able to see this option that says live. Now again, this is only available if your account has or you are a verified content creator inside the platform. Now if you're a fairly new account or your account is fairly new, you won't immediately get this option here. So you need to start posting here and create content before you can actually access that feature. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.